Today I have for you the Brio Bite ice cream maker. What's so awesome about this is actually a portable unit that you just need to recharge this portion, and then you can really make ice cream anywhere. So I love it. I love it. Included with the ice cream making kit essentially is this is the base unit, and this is where your freezing bowl is going to go. This is the motor, and this is where your paddle hooks into. So you got that there. And then you just simply put the paddle in. Comes out just as easy. And then right here is where you press the 20 or 30-minute timer. And then also here is the charging. And this is a Type C charger. That is also included. You're also going to get the, this is in a little like brochure instruction manual with different recipes on it. So you've got different recipes here too. I'm going to actually do the avocado ice cream for you today, but I'm actually going to do it with banana instead of avocado. Very similar texture. And you also get the instruction book. So I have mixed up my ice cream, and let me grab the freezing bowl and we'll get started. So here is the bowl. This has been in the freezer now for a couple days. It needs to be in there at least 12 hours. So all you're going to do is you're going to stick this in like this. All right, line that up. Now we're going to pour our ice cream mix in here. Made sure I got everything blended really well. You just want to make sure you are not over the 300 milliliters. Smells so good. I can't wait for banana ice cream. You're going to put this piece on and this piece on. Probably should have done that the other way. There we go. Now everything is on. I'm going to go ahead. Now it's started. I'll give you a close-up look. All right. As you can see, it's mixing here. We'll come back and check our ice cream as soon as it's done. So you can see our ice cream is almost done here. The volume has really increased in size, and it is near the top of the freezing bowl. Super important to follow those directions. And now the moment we've been waiting for, the ice cream is done. I'm going to go ahead and just use this rubber spatula to get this out here. All right, nice and thick. Oh, this looks great. Probably should have brought something to set this on. All right, I got a plate for that. Now, take that out. Probably a good idea. Well, it's nice and thick. If you like your ice cream a little harder, you could certainly put it in the fridge. But what I really want to do is give it the taste test here. And again, I said I used the avocado recipe that was on here for avocado ice cream. But I did it with banana because they have a similar texture. All right, let's see. So creamy. So creamy. This is so good. The Brio Bite ice cream maker, ice cream machine. So great. You can get 3 uses out of 1 charge on this. But yeah, what a fun little machine. And I can't wait to try the other recipes, other flavors. Delicious.